Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarika and I love making dot mandalas. I am starting a new series of sacred geometry symbols with dot mandala, and I am starting it with this flower of life dot mandala. So first let's start making this and then we will talk more about flower of life. For making this I am using these round 12 inches MDF boards. I am going to use camel acrylic paint colors, brushstroke pouring medium and these 3D cones that I have made at home. I am painting it with dark blue color for the base. I am using a sponge to paint the board. I always use sponge for base as you don't get brush marks with sponge and your base stays uniform. You can give 1 or 2 coats according to your preference. For making a mandala, first I have to find the center of this round base. For that I have cut a circle that is the same size as this MDF board. I fold that paper in half and then one more half. And cut just a little bit in the center, and that's how you can find the center of this circular board. Now mark the center of the board using this paper stencil with a white pencil. I am taking 4 centimeters of radius in my compass and I will start marking this flower of life mandala. For making this, first make one circle and then take the metal tip of the compass and place it anywhere along the circle you just made. Draw another circle. Next, locate the point where the circles intersect. Place the metal tip of the compass on this intersection and draw one more circle. Simply repeat the process from before. Locate the new intersections and draw circles from those points. First round of 7 circles are called seed of life. You continue to draw and you will end up with flower of life. I am using this homemade 3D cone for making lines in this mandala. I simply made a cone with plastic and then filled the cone with gold acrylic color mixed with pouring medium. I have given the tutorial link of making the cones in the description. Flower of life is considered to be the basic template for everything in existence. All geometric forms can be found within it, including sacred geometry shapes like the Platonic solids, Metron's cube, and the Merkaba. The flower of life symbolizes creation and reminds us of the unity of everything. We are all built from the same blueprint. Leonardo da Vinci studied the flower of life and its mathematical properties. He drew the flower of life and various components such as the seed of life. The temple of Osiris at Abydos, Egypt contains the oldest known examples of the flower of life. Flower of life symbol was found in the old Indian buildings too. For example, this was found in the pillar of Hampi. I hope you are enjoying my video and getting some inspiration to make your own. Share your pictures with me by tagging me on the Instagram or share with me on the Facebook. I would love to see your creations. Do you have any recommendations for me to make in this sacred geometric symbols series? Let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, make sure to watch few more videos, and if you like them, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all for supporting me and encouraging me.